Hello aspiring traders. Are you ready to install the trading application but unsure how to proceed? Don't worry, we have got you covered. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of downloading and installing the trading platform. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser and enter the official website URL, which is bestbull.co.in. You can find the web address in the description below. Step 2. Scroll down to the page to find 3 installation options. Install from the Play Store for Android users. Install for iOS operating system for Apple users. Install for Windows operating system for PC users. You can also click on the download button in the search bar or press Ctrl+J to initiate the download process. Step 3. In this video, we will focus on installing the application on Windows. Click on the Download from Windows Store option to begin the download. The application will start downloading and will be saved to your PC. While the download is in progress, feel free to explore the features and benefits of our trading platform on our webpage. Step 4. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your computer's download folder or the specified location. Step 5. Double-click on the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. A permission prompt may appear, requesting your consent to proceed. Click OK to continue. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installation wizard. The instructions may vary depending on your operating system. The installation wizard will present a license agreement. Click OK to proceed. Click Next and then Next again to advance through the installation process. Step 7. Wait for the installation process to complete. This may take a few moments. Once finished, click on the Finish button. And voila! The trading app is now installed on your PC. You have successfully completed the first step towards becoming an accomplished trader. We look forward to bringing you more valuable insights and guidance in our upcoming videos to help you on your journey to becoming a prominent investor. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Happy trading!